I am travelling along the Via Francigena with Sloways. There's something about waking up in the morning and walking hour after hour, day after day, which gives me time to meditate and enjoy the landscape that surrounds me, totally carefree.
You really have to stand still every now and then and be quiet and look around.
Listen to the birds.
Listen to the noises from the birds and the nature. Yeah, we love it.
Not only because the picturesque landscapes that come one after another, leaving you breathless, but also because walking along the Via Francigena gives you the feeling you are taking a journey through history, tracing the very origin of Italian culture, not to mention the excellent food and wine of the area, which will satisfy every palate.
It's absolutely amazing, and the wine is, very good.
And the meetings that take place along the way, a unique opportunity for knowledge, sharing and exchange that I will never forget. The people I meet along the way bring true value to the trip, each of them with a different and unique story to tell. Some have taken the path for religious reasons, some to learn about the landscape and see the Italian culture in a different light. And then there are those who want to test themselves with a new challenge.
I love the concept of just getting up each morning and just having nothing else to do for the day other than to get to your next destination. I think it's really like a walking meditation.
And then I think when you're walking in the countryside, you really can change your way of life. So in a way, you are really making an experience.
A huge thank you to Sloways for making this adventure much more than just a holiday.